Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have another great day today. Well, today we're going to be discussing charging, or more accurately not charging, because that's in the situation I currently find myself in right now. I wake up to head off to work and then I notice my car didn't charge. It just so happens I didn't plug my car in over the weekend, and then come Sunday night I'll say, okay, let me go ahead and plug this in so I can get charged up. And I think I was sitting around 55% or 50%. And then I wake up in the morning and guess, to my surprise, my car didn't charge. And I had this right here. I have the red light with the charging arrow right here. And then I get inside the vehicle and I get this where it says, unplug, try again. And then I look around and notice something's missing. Normally I have a little icon right here I can push that says charge now, but that's missing. And so right now I cannot charge my vehicle. Now it could be an issue with my home charger. And I do have a Rivian charger right here, and we're going to get out. I'm going to unplug and try again, and then we're going to look at the charger first. And I know this is charging equipment. You know, it's not actually the charger. The charger's in the vehicle, but just for the purpose of simplicity, we're going to call this a charger. And this is a Rivian home charger. I did install this myself, and this is set to 48 amps. And so first thing I'm going to do is unplug it and see. And I just unplugged my vehicle. And we just go ahead and hang this back up here for a moment. And so it's possible it could be the charger that's causing the fault. But this is not the first time this has happened to me. This is probably around the third or fourth time. And the last time it happened, I was on a road trip and came back. And so we're still able to DC fast charge, but it was not until I got back home and I tried to level 2 charge what was considered a level 2 charger. My vehicle didn't charge up. So I ran that to give Rivian a call, and they walked me through the steps on how to clear it. And hopefully we'll be able to do that again because I'm running low on range. So, and I have to go to work tomorrow. So one of the other things I'm going to do just to troubleshoot, just to make sure that it's not this right here. I have my portable Rivian charger right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. You just plug this into a normal outlet, and this does come with the vehicle here, and it comes in this case right here. And so I'm just going to plug this in. This is just, like I said, just a normal outlet, 110, and I'm going to plug this in to see if this starts charging. It should instantly charge. And it's charging. So now it's charging. So it lets me know that there has to be an issue with my home charger. And you see right here it's charging. Okay, let's get back in the vehicle again and take a look. And you see right here now I have the stop charging icon. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit stop so I can show you what that resume charging thing looks like. You see right here it says resume charging. And I'm going to hit that. I'm going to start it back up again. And so it lets me know that it's not an issue with the vehicle. It's something going on with my charger. And so that's just a troubleshooting step that you can use to kind of narrow it down. So if it didn't happen to work with my with the level 1 charger, then the next step I would have done was reset the vehicle. And so the first step to do that, and so just say that didn't work, I'm going to do a software reset, and then this is where you hold these down for 15 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and do that anyway. And it just says right here, keep holding the both buttons. And now you see the screen has gone off. And I can let it go. And then you're going to see in a minute it's going to show that the vehicle's resetting. And now it's starting to wake back up again. And it looks like it's still charging. And the screens are resetting. And everything is a bit laggy here. And you know, it's still charging right now. It says 0 miles an hour. Oh, let's just change this out. Okay, now it is charging. because this thing is charging so slow. It's only charging at 1.2 kilowatts, which is about 1,200 watts, because that has 120 outlet right there. And right now, still not even give me a time of when it's going to get to its desired state of charge. What I have right now, if it's set to 70%, let me go ahead and hit this here. And you can see right here that you can select different states of charge. And you have max, which is 100, and 85, which is extended. I charge mine to 70% every day. You can go down to 50% if you choose to. And 50% is the lowest as you can take it. And like I said, you normally have mine on 70. Okay, just say that this didn't work either. Say you did a software reset and you're still running into the error. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do a full reset. You're gonna hold this down, this outer portion of this right here. You're gonna hold that down, and you're gonna hold down the hazards. And you keep holding, it says restarting vehicle. So right now I'm doing a hard reset of the vehicle. And now it's resetting, and you see it's restarting here. And right now it says it's 6%. Let me go turn the hazards off. And this is almost just like rebooting your computer. And right now it's just shut everything down. And while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this level 1 charger here, because we know that works. Now we have an issue with my home charger. And as soon as this vehicle resets, we're gonna show you how to handle that. And in fact, we'll do that as this is resetting. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. Yeah, I can throw this back in the vehicle for now. And now we're going to go ahead and address this issue right here with this, with my my level 2 charger. So next step, I'm going to go down in the basement, and I'm going to go to my my fuse box, and I'm going to show you how to handle this situation from your fuse box. Okay, these are my fuse boxes. I have 2 here, and I did run all the wiring for my home charger here. And if you look up here, that's the conduit I ran my wires through, and this is about 100-foot run that I had to run. So, and I did it like this for future projects, because we plan on getting another electric vehicle, and that's why I put that 1.5-inch conduit up there, so it'll be easier to run more wire through for when we get our next electric car. Hopefully, next year, in January, February timeframe for my wife. Okay, just taking a look at the fuse box here, and this is the fuse for the car charger. And so in situations like this, what you want to go ahead and do, you want to turn the power off of it. And I just wait a few seconds. And then I'm going to power it back up. And I'm going to head back to the vehicle to see why it resets, and then we'll see if that helps clear the error. Okay, it looks like my charger back on. It's all white now. And hopefully the vehicle's reset. I'm pretty sure it has. Go ahead and plug this back in. It sounds like it's communicating. You just go back to that pulsating white means it's in a ready mode. But we still haven't started charging yet. Okay, now we got the pulsating green light, which means it's charging. And of course, you can look at the indicator on the front of the vehicle. And so now it appears to be charging. So let's get in the vehicle and see what we have. Okay, now, it's showing that we're charging at 10.6 kilowatt. And that's probably going to go up a little bit. And it actually shows the charging session is going to end in 5 hours and 56 minutes. And that's to get to 70%. Let me change it back to my schedule. And right now I turn my charging schedule off. I'm going to turn my charging schedule back on. And I'm going to turn it on to daily and set schedule. And start at 11 p.m. And I'm going to shut this off at 7 a.m. And now it's set. And right here it says daily at this location, 11 to 7 a.m. So I'm going to plug my charger back in. I'm going to show you what it looks like when this charger is set on the schedule. And this is what I was talking about, charge now. So now I unplugged my vehicle and I turned the schedule on and I plugged it back in. Now you see the charge now thing is showing up. And I'm going to show you one other thing out here. And I just want to show you here when your charger is set on the schedule that it's going to show the indicator right here in blue. That means it's set on the schedule and everything should be good to go. And I just want to check one more thing. And so now that I have everything back, if I want to charge now, you know, say I needed to go someplace now, I can either initiate it on my phone. And here is going into the Rivian app here. And one of the cool things I like about this Rivian app, it actually shows that my vehicle is plugged in right here. I think that's pretty cool. And I can just go here and it'll show how many miles I have. And now I'm just going to go to charging. And this icon right here is it show my schedule here from 11 to 7 a.m. And let me go ahead and hit that. And right here is showing my schedule again. And it's showing I'm at my current state of charge is at 33%. And right here is showing charge now. And so if I wanted to initiate a charge from inside the house, say I got a call, say, hey, we need you to go out to this location tomorrow. And it's, you know, it's like I only had it set for 70%. And now I need to schedule it for 80% charge. I can just go ahead and hit charge now. And you see right here, you look up there, and it shows that my charger is pulsating green, which means the vehicle is charging. And if you look right here, it's showing how many kilowatts that the vehicle is accepting. And it did default back to 48 amps. That's what I have my charger set to. And you see the end time is going down pretty quickly and the charge time is going up with the amount of kilowatts. And so you can either do miles per hour. Right now I'm charging at 22 miles an hour. And so if I wanted to increase the charge, I can just hit this and then go to this right here and I can increase it up, okay, to however much I want, even all the way up to 100%. Just by sliding your finger across here. Pretty cool. And this came with an update. This wasn't original when I bought the vehicle, but Rivian, over the course of time, they really updated this app. This is one of the critiques I had about the vehicle when I first got it, was that the app wasn't that great, but it's been improving every month I had the vehicle so far. So I'm gonna just go ahead and stop this session. And so now, hopefully you got some value out of this. And so in case you run into the same issue where your vehicle is not charging, you know exactly what steps to take. And just make sure you take a little time out, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And so anyone else who may be running into this issue with their vehicle, they know where to go to get the information to correct it. But that's all I have for today. I'd like to thank you for joining me once again. And I can't wait to see you on the next video.